Cooking innovation has reached new heights with the remarkable Black+Decker 6-slice stainless steel convection countertop toaster oven with broiler pan. Experience the power of one-touch functions that cater to a diverse range of culinary delights, from perfectly toasted bagels to mouth-watering pizzas, frozen snacks, hearty potatoes, and delectable cookies. This versatile kitchen companion harnesses convection technology to ensure rapid, even results during baking, elevating your cooking prowess to unparalleled heights. As you embark on a culinary journey of ease and excellence, let's uncover the features that make this toaster oven a true game changer. Here are the key features of Black+Decker Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. Unleash culinary creativity. One-touch culinary mastery. Cooking complexity becomes a thing of the past with the Black+Decker 6-slice convection countertop toaster oven. Embrace the convenience of one-touch functions that span a delectable spectrum of culinary delights. Elevate your mornings with expertly toasted bagels. Indulge in the crispy allure of pizzas and frozen snacks. Savor the comforting warmth of potatoes, and delight in the sweet symphony of perfectly baked cookies. With 8 one-touch functions at your fingertips, every meal is an opportunity to dazzle your taste buds and those of your loved ones. Convection technology, where speed meets precision. Say goodbye to culinary uncertainty and uneven cooking with the ingenious convection technology of the Black+Decker toaster oven. As hot air circulates within the oven, experience the magic of rapid, even baking that guarantees flawless results. Whether you're crafting a gourmet casserole or baking a succulent whole chicken, this technology ensures consistent perfection. No more guessing, just culinary excellence every time. Savor the versatility. Dual position rack. The art of culinary finesse lies in versatility, and the Black+Decker toaster oven delivers just that. With a dual position rack, you have the power to place your food right under the broiler for that irresistible golden finish or create ample space for larger culinary creations. The high and low oven rack positions are your secret weapon for achieving exceptional results, no matter the dish. Precise time management. 120-minute timer. Cooking precision takes center stage with the digital 120-minute timer. This intuitive feature allows you to set accurate timers for an array of culinary endeavors. Whether you're toasting, broiling, or embarking on a baking adventure, the oven turns off seamlessly when the timer runs out, ensuring culinary perfection and peace of mind. Designed for culinary exploration. Extra deep interior. Say farewell to the hassle of heating your large oven for smaller culinary creations. The Black+Decker toaster oven is ingeniously designed to accommodate 12 pizzas and an array of culinary creations, from hearty casserole dishes to succulent whole chickens. Elevate your cooking experience and embark on a journey of culinary exploration right from your countertop. Effortless cleanup. Non-stick interior. Culinary artistry should never be hindered by cleanup woes. The Black+Decker toaster oven's non-stick interior ensures swift and seamless cleanup. With cooled non-stick surfaces, a simple wipe down is all it takes to keep your oven pristine, enabling you to focus on what truly matters, the joy of creating culinary masterpieces. Trusted excellence, the #1 brand. When it's time to indulge in culinary delights, trust the unrivaled expertise of the #1 brand in toaster ovens, Black+Decker. Elevate your cooking experience with a countertop companion that marries innovation, precision, and convenience. Unlock culinary brilliance today. Elevate your culinary creations and embrace the art of effortless excellence with the Black+Decker 6-slice stainless steel convection countertop toaster oven. From one-touch functions to convection technology and an extra deep interior, every feature is meticulously crafted to empower your culinary journey. Unleash your inner chef, captivate your taste buds, and redefine what's possible in your kitchen.